Hello art students, for today's project you'll need watercolors, a paintbrush, a Sharpie, and some paper. Dip your paintbrush into your water, pick up some purple, and splotch it onto your page. Take some blue and morph it with the purple. Feel free to use some water to help blend the two colors together. Now do the same thing with some green and also some yellow. Your splotches don't have to be perfect, but keep in mind that you want to keep them in a somewhat circular shape. I'm doing the same thing with some red and some orange paint now. For your final splotch, you can use whatever colors you want. I chose purple, blue, and red. Now you're going to take some green and create a much bigger splotch on the top left corner of your paper. You can mix in some yellow or you can keep it all green, but I personally think the yellow makes it look nicer. Now use a paper towel to help dry your splotches. The ending should look somewhat like an ombre effect. Now take your Sharpie and outline every single splotch you have. Don't be afraid if it's not a perfect circle. This is fine. Now begin to draw your birds. Draw a beak, an eye, a wing, their tails, and their legs. Do this for every bird, but don't be afraid to switch their directions. Some birds can look up, some birds can look to the side, some birds can look down. It's all up to you. finally, draw a tree trunk from the base of your tree to the bottom of your page. Now take some brown paint and go ahead and color in your tree trunk. Now you can take some orange paint and paint the beaks of your birds. Now take some watercolors and paint the tails of your birds. And that's it. That's the final project. Make sure to put your name, grade, and the date on the back of your page like always.